Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a sticker in a project in Filmora. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a project, find the sticker layer, press on it, and now you can just press on replace. And you can just replace it with any other sticker. Most of them are subscription based, so they are not free, but there are a few ones that might be free. Let's just find one, hopefully that is. Doesn't seem like to be any here. So there are 4 ones here, seems like. They did not load in yet, but I'm just going to pick the second one and press on the checkmark symbol. And that is going to be the new sticker. Basically, as you can see, it was switched to that arrow symbol. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.